Alright y'all, it's Shane. I'm back at it this afternoon. Another video. I just got out here, hadn't even made the cast yet. In fact, I still got to put the magnet on. If it's your first time watching me, y'all, please hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share the video. All that really helps me out a lot. The last time I was out here at this bridge, we found 4 guns, which is the last video. If you haven't watched it, please go give it a watch. It's pretty awesome. We're gonna try it again today, y'all. See how we do. I don't know how long I'll be able to stay out here because it might end up raining. All right, y'all, first cast. Right by the bridge, y'all. I think I came off of it. All right, what we got? A random piece of metal and a couple of nails, y'all. Alright, let's see what we got, y'all. Just a piece of metal. And a piece of metal on that one. Just a piece of metal on that one, y'all. Came off. There's something right there with some weight on it, but it came off, y'all. Alright, what we got? Just a little battery or something, another piece of little metal. Just attached to something right here. What in the world is this? What in the world is this, y'all? Just a random piece of metal. Another random piece of metal. A lock. Oh, people love throwing locks in the water around this bridge. Feels like I just clicked on to something right here by the y'all, nothing but a piece of metal on that one. Thing's strong. Like I'm dragging something right here. A wrench. In the world is this? A bicycle. Oh, it came off. Oh, we got a bicycle, y'all. I get it up here. Well, that's the first one of those. What in the world? Got a spring, y'all. Entire spring, y'all. And then just some kind of random piece of metal. A spring with a golf ball in it. Talking about hole in one. Oh, something heavy right here if it stays hooked up, y'all. I don't think it's staying hooked up. It's another bicycle, y'all. Look at that, I got a bonus fishing lure. Got a little rail trap in there. a pan. We got a pan, y'all. No, it's Pam. Pan. No, it's Pam. Y'all ever seen Step Brothers? World is this? Jesus. Well, y'all, we got another rattle trap. People love throwing rattle traps right here. All kinds of stuff, but nothing good.